Right, first things first, I gotta fix this. Have you seen these days? A bit of tin with a bit of plastic on them. It's shite, absolutely embarrassingly. Anyway, I gotta get that out of there. I'm gonna put that in something else, and I'll be with you in a minute or two. So don't turn off yet. It's getting funny. I can just squash that a bit. What I'm hoping to do. I'll do it the hard way. Look at it. Tell me where this comes from. Come on, without no joke. And well, you know what I'll say, and I bet I'd be right. It's the cheapest, crappiest. Alright, you know, I don't deal with this sort of thing. This is my wife's department. So I don't know what a brush flipping looks like. Never know. Feels like, for Christ's sake. I'm gonna try and rip this off. I was gonna do a project, but I don't think I can do it.
You do that?
What's that?
So then you remove the rubber part, the white plastic drops down, lean it forward, take the part out as shown in the below picture.
Yeah, them parts, these on other machines they probably fall out, but they didn't on there. They come out automatically.
Right.
So that's probably they would fall at the bottom on
would they? Right, okay.
On other shitty machines.
I thought we'd left the part on, we should have, that's all.
No, sorry. I thought I fucked up, but I hadn't. Sorry, folks. It's a washing machine, it is. She can fuck up washing machines fast and I can buy them, I can tell you how much. We got that part out. Ish. No, we haven't. I was lying. Right. We got that bit. Now, I found this. A nice chrome. And it's a pretty good gauge. See? Did you see? Gosh, you saw. They would put a bit of oil in there or something, because women got a habit of mopping water and stuff. If that goes in there, we'd be really happy. That goes in there, so we're really happy. What we do now is to put it in there the way they had it in there, which was 4 punch marks. Probably 8 actually, but so that should never want to come out unless she gets hold of it, of course. And there you have now a nice chrome handle sweeping brush and a grateful wife. Alright, I was joking, there's no such fucking thing. I mean, this thing is great, that'd probably last forever and a day, and yet this is a crock of shit. So the plastics are sent out to some cheap, nasty manufacturer that puts a crappy handle on it, the cheapest handle he could possibly find. The cheapest handle he can find. For mugs. And that come off. Oh, that would look nice enough. I could get that off as well. Look at that. It was only in there like an inch. I don't know if that would go on there actually, but fuck it will. Come back, Chuck. Will you look at that? Will you look at that? There you go. People are going to say, where the hell do you get that from, Rob? And I'll say, mind your own fucking business, will you? So that's no good. This is scrap. 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 I gotta, for Christ's sake, you know. You obviously know what I'm talking about. You've took one apart, I can tell. How thick is that? Come on. How thick is that? And see, it's rusty. So water's obviously going to get in there. She can see it now and she'll say, oh, thanks, Rob. You're so nice. Oh, for fuck's sake.